Hey, Mark here from Argos, bringing you another 60-second tip just to help you get the most out of MyGeotab. What we want to focus on today is specifically customizing the user interface or the UI. Now, this is done over in the People section. Go to Users and Drivers, and then you would select a driver. I'm already in my profile, so you can see exactly what this looks like. But ultimately, at the top, you've got a handful of different tabs to click into. We'll dive into some of these in the coming weeks, but right now, let's focus on UI settings. In here, you're going to have the ability to set up, whether you want it on in metric or imperial, if you prefer miles per gallon versus kilometers per gallon, if you want to have it set up as a US dollar or a different display. You can also set up the day and time format, which can adjust it from military time to standard. The other thing is your time zones. Now, a lot of this stuff we set up whenever we're setting up a new customer, but one of the things that we generally will leave up to you is which page you want to land on whenever you first log in. And at the bottom here, there's actually this default page at startup piece that you can click on and customize. So if you say, I want to see my hours of service, or maybe I want to see my assets, or maybe I want to see my map. Typically, this defaults to dashboard just because a lot of people like to look at their reports out the gate. But if you're somebody that say, I want to look at my map and see where my vehicles are first thing in the morning, this is a great way to adjust that. Simply check off which one you want, hit save, and you're ready to go. Now, if you followed our previous video on how to save your map view, and if you haven't had a chance to check that out, be sure to check it out. The next time you log in, you're immediately going to be taken to that map page as opposed to the dashboard. You're going to see those exact vehicles you're looking for. So, hope this tip helped. Y'all have a great rest of your day, and we'll talk soon.